Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silent meditation.
Greetings, Pine-Richland. I'm Tyler. Today, Thursday, September 8th, 2022.
And I'm Lindsay. Now for today's announcements. Forensics. Do you scream for ice cream? Of course you do. Get the scoop on the Forensics Speech and Debate Club by attending a free event in the cafeteria on Thursday night, September 22nd at 6:30 p.m. in the high school cafeteria. That's where you'll learn about all of the speech and debate events and enjoy all the free ice cream you want. Contact Mrs. Harshman via email or room 221 for more information, or just show up Thursday night, September 22nd at 6:30 p.m. It's going to be a sweet night. College Fair. The North Pittsburgh College Fair will take place on Monday, October 10th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. at La Roche University. This will be your chance to meet with representatives from over 100 colleges and universities. Register now by scanning the QR code on your screen. Minithon. Join our student section leaders and Minithon to support our football team during the homecoming game by buying and wearing a Gold Out shirt. All proceeds from shirts go to support kids with cancer through our Minithon Club and 4 Diamonds. You can buy your Gold Out shirt during all lunches for $15, cash or check, made out to Pine-Richland Minithon. The week leading up to the big game, we don't have to choose between celebrating our school spirit and uplifting those less fortunate than ourselves. We have an important opportunity to spread our message to the community. Please encourage as many Ram fans as possible to bring cash to the homecoming game in order to purchase a Gold Out shirt for themselves. See you at the homecoming game on September 16th with your Gold Out shirt.
Homecoming tickets. The homecoming dance will be Saturday, September 17th from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the Pine-Richland High School Stadium. Permission slips can be picked up outside of room 100 or available online. Tickets can be purchased before school in the front lobby. Tickets are $25 per person and will be sold through Wednesday, September 14th. After September 14th, tickets will increase to $30 per person and will be available in room 100. Homecoming court. Attention junior and seniors. Voting for the homecoming court top 10 will close today at noon. The first round is open to all juniors and seniors, and the ballot will be sent to the school email. Spirit Week. Homecoming Spirit Week will take place on the week of September 12th. Here are the daily themes. Monday, Adam Sandler, a 1990s Day. Tuesday, 80s Day. Wednesday, Pajama Day. Thursday, Anything But a Backpack. Friday, Pure Green and White. The homecoming game student section will be a Gold Out for childhood cancer. Lastly, there will be a Spirit Week competition. Homerooms receive 1 point for each student and homeroom teacher that dresses up per day. The homeroom with the most points gets a breakfast along with bragging rights.
Food drive. Staff and students are encouraged to bring in non-perishable food items to donate to the Greater Pittsburgh Community Food Drive. Most needed items are diapers, laundry detergent, paper products, pasta sauce, peanut butter, dried canned beans, pouched canned tuna, rice and instant mashed potatoes. Homerooms will receive 1 point for each item donated for the Homecoming Spirit Week competition. Senior photos. Attention class of 2023. The deadline to submit your senior photo for the 2022 to 2023 yearbook is September 30th. Any questions or concerns, contact yearbook advisor Mrs. Harshman via email or in room 221 or 217. Yearbook. Purchase your yearbook at the lowest price of the year, just $55 if placed by October 28th. The cost will continue to rise during the school year. Place your order online. If you have any questions, please send an email to the address found at the bottom of your screen. Open house. Tonight, PRHS open house will take place from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Be sure to remind your parents.
Activity fair. Tonight from 6:15 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. in the high school atrium, the activity fair will take place. Representatives from high school clubs will be on hand to allow students a chance to sign up and find out about what each club has to offer. Theme Day Thursday. Not sure what Theme Day Thursday is? 2 Thursdays each month, staff and students are encouraged to dress up in the day's theme. The first Theme Day Thursday will take place September 22nd with the theme being black and gold in support of the Steeler game. Fall play. Auditions for the fall play, Clue on Stage, will be held in the auditorium at 2:45 p.m. today. Guidance news. The following scholarships, contests, and workshops are now available. Stop in the guidance office or check on Navient under Colleges tab scholarship list. The following colleges and universities will be visiting PRHS during the month of September. Interested students must sign up in Naviance and obtain permission from their classroom teacher. A signed tall pass will be required. Check Naviance frequently for the most up-to-date and accurate information.
Now it is time to go to Ethan for our PRTV Sports Report.
Hi, this is Ethan here today with the sports. Field hockey. Today, varsity team will be at Alder Ice. Game time is at 3:15 p.m. Girls tennis on Tuesday. The varsity team defeated Butler area 5-0. Their next match is today against Shaler area. A varsity will be away and JV will be at home. Both matches start at 3:30 p.m. Football. Today, the 9th grade team will take on Penn Trafford at home. Kickoff is at 3:30 p.m. at the Ram Cage. Boys golf. Today, the varsity and JV teams will face North Allegheny JV will be away. Their match starts at 3:30 p.m. at North Park Golf Course. Varsity will be at home. Their match is at 4 p.m. Treesdale Golf and Country Club. Girls golf. Today, the varsity team will take on Black Hawk at home. The match starts at 3:45 p.m. at Conley's Golf Course. Boys soccer. Tonight, the varsity and JV teams will face Seneca Valley at home. JV plays at 6 p.m., followed by a varsity game at 7:30 p.m. This is Ethan. Now back to you.
Good luck to everybody playing this week. Now let's go to Ethan for weather.
Hi, this is Ethan here with today's weather. Today we will have a high of 78 and a low of 58. Tomorrow we will have a high of 81 and a low of 62. Now let's go to today's weekly forecast. Back to you.
The weather looks really great this week. That's all for today. It's a B-Day and I'm Lindsay.
And I'm Tyler. We'll see you next time, Pine-Richland.
Make it a great one, Rams.